too fast and get stalled or something, we're in trouble. So,
drive down Interstate 29.
yeah, it's above there, Mudflaps. But I guess no one. Yeah, we did. Yep, it was fun. I really like driving in the lake hole. But yeah,
Just to get the undercarriage washed off.
as long as people are in front of us and stay straight, we should be able to stay on the road because we can't see it now. No, I feel like we're floating right now, actually. This is not cool. This is a bad section. Too far away. I texted him today and Allison. So. Oh yeah. Allison, I think is still upstairs. As long as our cones don't wash away, we should be okay.